Humpty Dumpty peekaboo. Humpty Dumpty jumping around up really high and on the ground. Bouncing, bouncing everywhere.
Wow!
I will catch you in the air. Funny is breaking the store, making a mess everywhere.
Wow! Wow!
Humpty Dumpty,
Yes.
Humpty Dumpty, hop hop
Wow!
hop. Humpty Dumpty. Inside the deep blue sea, there's a mermaid
Wow.
dancing.
What's happening? Uh-huh.
Hey monkey, here I come. Banana,
Whoa.
banana, banana, banana. Hey monkey, stomp the floor. Hey.
Choo 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 choo.
Yeah.
Choo 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 choo. My favorite robot, you're so cute. My favorite robot, it's broken now.
Aha!
Baby, don't you worry, we will solve it right away. Solve the puzzle just like this. Puzzle game is fun. Puzzle is not that
Good job!
puzzle
Woohoo!
game is fun.
Find the differences!
Banana, 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 where are you? I am banana. Do 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 do. Banana, banana. Who is there with you? Banana, banana. No, that won't do. I'm banana, banana. I'm banana. That is the real me. I'm banana, banana. I'm banana. That is the real me.
Strawberry, 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 where are you? I am strawberry. Do 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 do. Strawberry, strawberry. Five little skeletons, spooky, scary skeletons, riding a bus at night. They're not afraid of anyone. Skeleton fell off the bus. The witch is shouting at them now. No more skeletons riding on a bus.
Wow!
Four little skeletons, spooky, scary skeletons. By mistake, we do things that are not
D.
And so creepy.
D.
Red shark, hello, hello, red shark, hello, hello, red shark, hello, hello. Turn around and show your fin. Red shark, hello, hello, red shark, hello, hello, red shark, hello, hello. Come on, show us how you swim. Red shark, 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 red shark, shark, shark.
Whoa.
Red.
Make a mess, dirty, dirty mess. Yucky, yucky mess. The insects will come live with us. Go just like it's dirty, roll just like it's smiley. Dirty, 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 ooh, yucky, yucky, yucky. That is why we should keep it clean, keep it clean. That is why we should keep it clean, keep it clean. Insects that
Daddy, Daddy, I can do what you do. If you can do it, I can do it too. When Daddy fixes the car, I can do it too. Fixing the car with you. I love doing what you do. Watch me doing it too.
Wow.
I love doing what you do.
Whoa.
Come over here. I am scared they will know I'm not
Wow.
there. I have a trick to show you. Don't be scared. Magic remote control. To make as many you as you want. Oh no no, something is wrong. My doll is in danger. What's going on? I need to think how to get you out. My pretty doll, I will help you out. 5 little fingers working hard. The princesses will save you fast. We are a
Tadpole.
team. We'll help you, don't worry.
Froglet.
We never stop. We always have a
Metal
goal.
truck.
Working
X.
together is the best. Princess fingers will fix
Excellent.
this mess.
Morning, morning, time to brush my teeth. Here's the toothbrush and some toothpaste, please.
Oh, oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some simple rules clear. Brush your teeth every day, do it carefully. Brush your teeth and then play when your teeth are clean. Brush your teeth every day, that is so easy. My white teeth smile to you, and your one smile to me.
Whoa.
Oh, how do I brush my teeth? Am I doing it right? Tell me, please.
Oh, oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some simple. It's time for school, get ready, get ready. When it's time for school, what do we have to do? In our morning routine, you have to brush your teeth. Find the toothbrush that you need. Brush them well, make it right. Up and down, yeah, that's right.
Yeah!
Feel these puzzle piece by piece.
Wow!
So
Aha.
many shapes, eyes, mouth, and nose. Where do they go? Where do they go? It's a kitty.
Yeah!
Little kitty,
Ew.
kitty, kitty. Little
Wow.
kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, you're so
Yes.
cute. Kitty, I love you.
1 plus 1 equals 2.
Yeah!
6 plus 6 equals sign 12. 3 plus 4 equals sign 7.
Good job!